This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Today, I'll show you exactly how giant salmon fillets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos like this.
The process begins far from the factory, in cold, open ocean waters. Fishing vessels carefully harvest mature salmon, ensuring minimal stress and maximum freshness. Immediately after harvest, the salmon are placed into ice-filled containers on board the vessels. Rapid chilling preserves texture, color, and natural flavor. Crew members handle the fish using strict hygiene practices, preparing them for transport without breaking the cold chain. Refrigerated trucks transport the salmon directly to the processing plant, maintaining precise temperatures throughout the journey. At the factory, shipments arrive at the receiving dock, where salmon are unloaded under controlled conditions. Trained inspectors examine each salmon for size, freshness, color, and overall condition. Only fish that meet strict standards move forward. The salmon are thoroughly washed using automated systems. They are then weighed and sorted by size to ensure uniform processing. Cleaned and sorted salmon move smoothly along stainless steel conveyors toward the processing area.
In this phase, automated machines begin removing salmon scales. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes work together to clean the surface thoroughly. The process is fast, efficient, and designed to avoid damage to the flesh. After scale removal, the salmon pass through advanced washing systems. Every surface is rinsed with precision to meet strict food safety regulations. This deep cleaning step ensures the fish are fully prepared for internal processing.
Maintaining the highest hygiene standards is paramount. Our automated systems ensure surgical precision and complete sterilization at every stage.
Robotic arms perform the gutting process with remarkable accuracy. Sensors guide each movement, allowing clean cuts while minimizing waste. Automation also reduces human contact, further improving hygiene and consistency.
This stage represents the heart of the entire process. Automated filleting machines begin slicing the salmon into clean, uniform fillets. Each machine is engineered for speed, accuracy, and maximum yield.
Precision cutting is key to maximizing yield. Our automated systems ensure every fillet is perfect, reducing waste significantly.
The cutting blades follow the salmon's natural muscle lines. This precise cutting technique preserves the structure of the meat and reduces waste. Every movement is optimized to deliver consistent, high-quality fillets.
Advanced detection systems scan every fillet with absolute precision. Microsensors identify even the smallest pin bones, and automated technology removes them flawlessly, ensuring purity, safety, and consistency.
Every fillet is refined and tested for premium quality.
Technology meets human expertise. Skilled hands carefully trim each fillet, shaping, refining, and perfecting every cut. Nothing is rushed. Every detail matters. Only the finest fillets move forward, refined, tested, and perfected. Each piece reflects our commitment to premium quality and excellence. At this stage, freshness is locked in forever. High-speed conveyor systems move each salmon fillet with absolute control, as powerful vacuum sealing technology removes excess air, preserving texture, flavor, and natural quality. Every seal is precise. Every pack is protected. This is where freshness meets science. Accuracy is not optional, it is essential. Automated systems apply labels, print dates, and code exact weights in perfect harmony. Each detail ensures full traceability, compliance, and transparency. From production time to final destination, every pack carries a complete story of quality and control. Inside the packaging hall, humans and machines work as one. Robotic systems handle speed and precision, while skilled professionals oversee quality at every step. The result is a seamless operation, efficient, hygienic, and reliable. This is not just packaging. This is the final promise of freshness, safety, and excellence before the product reaches the world. Beyond appearance, safety is rigorously tested. Advanced thermal scanners confirm optimal temperature control, while sensitive metal detection systems ensure absolute product purity. These technologies operate with unmatched accuracy, identifying risks before they can exist. Every scan reinforces our commitment to food safety, compliance, and consumer trust. Once approved, the product enters a carefully controlled cold storage environment. Massive refrigeration chambers maintain precise temperatures to preserve freshness and quality. Here, time slows, locking in flavor, texture, and nutritional value. This final stage safeguards the product until it is ready to be shipped worldwide, ensuring it arrives as fresh and perfect as the moment it was sealed.
The final journey begins here, inside temperature-controlled loading bays. Forklifts carefully move branded salmon boxers into refrigerated trucks. Every movement is calculated, every transfer monitored, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken. From storage to transport, freshness is protected at every step. This precision guarantees that quality is never compromised, even beyond our facility walls. From sea to shipment, every step is part of a greater system. Seen from above, the facility stands as a symbol of innovation, discipline, and dedication. This is where technology, expertise, and passion come together, delivering premium salmon to the world. With integrity at its core, the journey may continue beyond these walls, but our promise of quality remains unbroken. As the sun sets, the mission continues. Fully sealed, temperature-secured vehicles depart the facility, carrying more than just seafood. They transport trust, craftsmanship, and uncompromising standards. Each truck moves with purpose, connecting our processing floor to markets, retailers, and tables around the world. This is logistics powered by responsibility and excellence.
And that's how giant salmon fillets are made, originated from the ocean to your table.